Welcome. In front of me I have Canon EOS 1300D, and today I'll show you how you can rotate images on this camera. It's very simple. At the first we have to tap on the menu button. Next we have to click on the AF to go on the right, and when we are here we can choose the rotate image option, tap set, and for example let's try to rotate this one, and as you can see on the right upper corner we can rotate by tapping on the set button. So let's make it, and as you can see we can already rotate the images on our camera. And if you finish, you can just simply go back. So right now when you try to check this photo, it will be rotated. And yeah, if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.